Hello everyone, welcome again to our weekly class of Python 3. Today we will be working or start working on decision structures. Up until now we did some input to our program and showed them, but programming is about doing things with the input. So what happens if I want to decide next steps depending on an input? Oh, I am saying a lot of the word input, but it's okay. Programming is about getting info, doing something with the information, getting some outputs, and so on. So let's decide what happens if I enter something and it should output some other thing. So for that we are going to use the if structure. In this first video we are going to do a simple example, and in the next ones we are going to go deeper into this structure until we all understand that this is a tutorial to do things easily, right? So let's create a new file, and I will maximize this. So let's say as the latest program we are going to have an age. We are going to input something, enter age. So what happens here? I will have to add using my keyboard an age, but what I will have here if I print this is a string, and I want to compare ages to do something, and I need numbers. So I will have to cast it to an integer, and later in another videos we will talk about data types, but it's not the same having a string than a number, right? So I will cast this to an integer. So, okay, let's save this. If structure chapter 1. So if I run this, I will enter an age, and the program ends. Nothing else was done, but I want to do something with this. If the age is more than, I don't know, in different countries, majority is in different ages. Here in Argentina, where I live, is at 18, so we will take this number. At some countries, is 21, I think. But let's say that I want to print if you have more than 18 or 18 years that you are an adult, right? So let's put here an if age is more than 17, then print you are an adult, right? So if I run this, if I put 23, you're going to get this message that you are an adult. But if you run this and put 10, you're not getting anything, right? Another option to do this, and we will be looking at this, is that you can put more or equal 18, right? And this will work the same way, because like this, if you put 18, then it is more than 17. And if you put more or equal 18, at 18 you are going to be an adult. So let's run this. So if I put 18, you're getting the message. And if you put 5, oh, sorry, not here, 18, if you're running this and putting 5, you're not getting anything, right? So let's go back to this program. Now, what I want is that if you have less than 18 years, I want to print something else, that is, you are not an adult, right? So for this you will have something in if that is else. So if something happens, do something, else do another thing, right? So here you're going to put else, print, you are not an adult, right? So if we run this and I put 21, you are getting you are an adult. And if not, let's run this again. If I put 15, then you are not an adult. So those are the basics of if. If you want to decide something depending on some data, this is the structure you need. So in the next video, we are going to go deeper into this structure. We are going to go in an easy pace. I am going to explain everything maybe more than one time with more examples, so we all understand what is happening when we are programming in Python. So thank you for your time. Please subscribe to this channel. In the future, I will do more videos in English. Please comment. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will try to answer you. Um, Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.